come over here. She had to be getting the bed soon.
When y'all get hungry for dessert, let me know. I just have to whip the whipped cream and heat up. The fruit pies I'll heat up.
So maybe we saw last year?
Yeah, last week.
They didn't go last time.
We saw them.
Did I like it?
She's fascinated with that puppy's bed and the blanket.
Well, because it's soft, and she loves soft. She'll get in there and rub her face on it.
Well, considering she was carrying the blanket around in her mouth.
See, look.
Something with a C, one word.
Good thing we brought it.
Confidence? No.
That blanket's so soft. You smell that blanket?
Wait.
You're taking a picture?
What happened?
Oh no.
This is really impressive.